This is ridge gourd. Now we are going to peel this ridge gourd, and how to peel this ridge gourd, it's like this. We just peel it with a peeler and take out thin peels. We don't want the pulp to go out too much, so it will become nice and smooth. And make sure that you taste each of this before you cut it, because sometimes they are bitter, and then the whole vegetable, like the whole whatever you're making dish, will be bitter. So you always taste it. If it is bitter, then just throw that away. You don't use that. Okay. Very simple recipe and very healthy. So this is how I've cut the ridge gourd into pieces. You can see. And doesn't matter like if it is little bit bigger, because this cooks very fast. Don't make it too small, otherwise you won't be able to see it after it gets cooked. This is grated coconut, fresh grated coconut. I have used this one from the frozen section, so it tastes really like fresh coconut. These are curry leaves. This you get from the Indian store. This is grated ginger, green chillies, and this is my spice box. So in this I will be using this lentil. It's white dal, urad dal we call it, white lentil. I've turned on the stove and I'm going to add some coconut oil. So this is the virgin coconut oil. Okay. Now the oil is hot. I'm going to add some cumin seeds. They're spluttering and they're turning brown. I'm going to add some grated ginger, green chilies. Now green chilies are optional. If you don't like spicy, then you may skip them, but it gives a nice taste. And I'm going to add some lentil. This is white dal or the white lentil. And I'm going to add some hing, that is asfoetida. It is just about a pinch, little bit more than a pinch I would say. I'm adding my curry leaves. About half teaspoon of turmeric. A little bit water so that the turmeric does not burn. Salt as per taste. About say half teaspoon for now. If I need more, I will add later. And then add the veggies and mix it well. I'll add little bit water. Okay, I'm going to add some coriander powder, about a teaspoon. And cover and let it cook, and cook in on low flame and let this cook. So there is little water. Let the water get used up, and the vegetable, I can see it's still little raw, so let it cook for about 10 more minutes. Okay, so it's almost cooked. Now I'm going to add the coconut. And let it cook for a few more minutes and it will be done. And we can garnish it with chopped cilantro and serve it with rice or roti, whatever you want to eat. Now this is done. I'm going to add some chopped cilantro. And the dish is done. So this is the final dish. My friend Natalia is going to try this dish. Natalia, come on.
Hello.
Okay, Natalia.
delicious.
Good.
How is it?
Oh, wonderful.
So you're going to try this at home?
Yeah, I will try cooking at home.
Let me know how it turns out.
Yeah, thank you.
So tasty.